My name is Jonathan Gabel. I am the Assistant Project Manager here at Argo Helios. Since our launch day, we now have 100% of our dry coolers in the air on the substructures. We have 90% of our pumps installed to move the fluid. The electrical substation has now been complete for a month or so now. We're working on getting all the miners deployed and in. Since launch date, we have now poured our slab for our office. The framing and sheetrock is 50% done. We're working on getting electrical and plumbing done, both in the office and in the guard shack. We expect the office to be done in the near future. Right now we're working on getting the rest of the racks set up on the interior of the building now that we have the dry coolers up. As soon as the pumps are in, then we'll connect the headers to it and start installing the last few tanks. Over the past year, it's been crazy to see the transformation. Just a year ago this month, we broke ground on the site. It was nothing but mesquites and open pasture. And now we have a 1/4 mile long building that is functioning fantastically. It feels great seeing it come from nothing to what it is now. Actually seeing the miners running, all the lights inside of them and everything working good. It gives everybody here on site a great sense of accomplishment. And it has been, honestly, a tremendous accomplishment to get to this point so fast.